students. One more time, how are you? Well, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about the book you have to read. You know that you have to read only one tale per group, and these are steps that you have to follow. You have to divide the following tasks with the group that you have. The first thing is to describe the characters that appear in your tale. Summarize the plot. Say what is the important thing that happened in the story. You have to underline and highlight the most common word and structure that appear in the tale, like for example the tenses, adjectives, nouns, and so on. You have to say in which traditional tale it's based in. As I told you, you will know because it's very easy to discover if it's the tale of Cinderella, the tale of the Sleeping Beauty, you will see. Later, we have to include information about the intention of the writer. Of course, here you can have different opinions. And personal opinion, of course, here is different from all of you because you may like it or not or whatever. It's something which is a matter of point of view. So, help each other is really important. Why? Because all the tasks that I have previously said have to be done by each of you. But you decide which ones you are going to do. And if you need any help from your classmates, of course, don't doubt. You can do it together. You know that you have to work together. So you can decide each task for each member of the group or all tasks for all of you. Of course, in the personal opinion, all of you will have to include a personal thought because you probably disagree in some aspects. Don't worry about that. And finally, I want you to be original. I want you to have creativity in this exercise because I want you to act as a teacher, as I told you. So you have to try to convince or to try to persuade the rest of your classmates to read the tale that you have been working on. Okay? And of course, you have to be confident. You will do really well. I know that your speaking is good. I know that you can have the great capacity of analyzing a tale like this. And I think that you would really like it. So go on, start working, and remember that in our next class we can have a part of the class, a very short part of the class at the beginning, but it will be used for asking any doubt that you may have. Okay? So see you. Bye.